Imagine a world where machines do everything, where robots run our farms, AI replaces farmers, and automation takes over food production. Sounds futuristic, right? But here's the truth. Some businesses can never be fully replaced by technology. And today, we're uncovering one of the most powerful industries that will always need human hands, and that business is agriculture and food production. Surprised? Despite all the advancements in automation, AI, and robotics, there are aspects of farming that only real people can handle. Whether it's raising animals, growing organic produce, or crafting artisanal foods, the demand for human expertise will never fade. So, if you're looking for a business to stand the test of time, stay with me. This video is for you. Let's get started. Small-scale and specialty farming. First up, small-scale and specialty farming. With growing demand for organic, locally grown, and specialty foods, many consumers prefer fresh, chemical-free produce. Let's break it down. Organic farming. Unlike industrial agriculture, organic farming requires human judgment, soil care, and hands-on pest control. No machine can replicate that. Backyard and urban farming. Think hydroponics, rooftop gardens, and vertical farming. These small-scale farms need constant human monitoring and adjustments. A herbal and medicinal plant cultivation. Growing herbs like mint, basil, and medicinal plants requires a delicate touch that tech simply can't replace. Bee farming and honey production. Managing beehives, preventing diseases, and harvesting honey is a skill only experienced beekeepers can handle. Mushroom farming. Growing mushrooms like oyster and shiitake require precise humidity and temperature control that demands hands-on management. Microgreens and specialty produce. Highly nutritious microgreens need daily watering, trimming, and packaging, which is best done by hand. Heirloom and indigenous crops. These specialty crops require careful seed saving and manual cultivation to preserve their unique traits. And guess what? Small farmers can sell directly to consumers through farmers markets and community-supported agriculture, CSA, programs, cutting out the middleman. Animal farming and livestock management. Now, let's talk about animal farming. Technology might assist, but caring for livestock requires real people. Here's why. Free-range and grass-fed livestock. Raising animals in open pastures takes daily monitoring, rotational grazing, and personal care. Farmers need to assess grazing conditions, ensure water availability, and check for injuries or diseases. Poultry and egg farming. While machines help, free-range poultry farms need hands-on feeding, egg collection, and health monitoring. Farmers play a crucial role in ensuring the birds are stress-free, properly fed, and protected from predators. Dairy farming. Cows, goats, and sheep need human supervision for feeding, milking, and general well-being. Even with automated milking, a farmer's touch is essential. Animals require health checks, proper nutrition, and humane treatment to produce high-quality dairy. Goat and sheep farming. These animals require careful breeding, shearing, and disease prevention, making them impossible to fully automate. Farmers ensure selective breeding for strong genetics, provide hands-on veterinary care, and manage seasonal shearing for wool production. Beekeeping and pollination services. Beekeepers must manage colonies, prevent disease outbreaks, and ensure optimal hive health for honey production and pollination. This delicate balance requires deep knowledge and manual intervention. Specialty and heritage livestock breeding. Raising rare breeds for meat, milk, or fiber requires careful genetic selection, specialized feeding, and attentive management. Many heritage breeds are valued for their resilience and unique qualities that mass production can't replicate. Ethical and small-scale meat processing, humane handling, butchering, and custom meat processing require precision, skill, and ethical care. Small farms specializing in high-quality meats rely on personalized care and traditional butchering techniques. Raising animals the right way means keeping them healthy and stress-free, which ultimately improves the quality of the food we eat. Sustainable and regenerative agriculture. Next, let's explore sustainable and regenerative agriculture. This method focuses on restoring soil health and the environment, something tech alone can't do. Permaculture farming. This system blends crops, livestock, and the environment into self-sustaining ecosystems. It takes human creativity and observation. Agroforestry. Farmers mix trees with crops, improving soil quality and preventing deforestation. Machines can't make these strategic decisions. Composting and soil regeneration. Healthy soil equals better crops. Farmers manage composting to reduce waste and enhance soil fertility. Cover cropping and crop rotation. Instead of depleting the land with repetitive planting, farmers use cover crops and rotate crops to maintain soil nutrients and reduce pests naturally. Regenerative grazing, a method where livestock are rotated across pastures to mimic natural grazing patterns, improving soil fertility and biodiversity while reducing carbon footprint. Water conservation and management. Sustainable farmers use rainwater harvesting, drip irrigation, and soil moisture management techniques to optimize water use while preventing wastage. Carbon sequestration farming. Some regenerative farms focus on capturing carbon in the soil through no-till farming and organic soil enrichment, helping combat climate change. Nature and farming go hand in hand, and real farmers are the stewards of the land. So, there you have it. While technology is reshaping many industries, agriculture remains a field where human expertise, passion, and care are irreplaceable. From raising healthy livestock to growing nutrient-rich crops, farmers will always play a critical role in ensuring food security, sustainability, and ethical farming practices. Whether you're interested in small-scale farming, sustainable livestock management, or regenerative agriculture, there's a future for you in this industry. And the best part? These businesses are not just about profit. They're about building a healthier, more sustainable world for future generations. If you're thinking about starting your own farming business, now is the time. The demand for fresh, ethical, and locally grown food is higher than ever. Nature needs more stewards, and the world needs more passionate farmers. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the future of farming? Do you think technology will ever fully replace farmers? Let's continue this conversation in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the future of sustainable business and agriculture. Your support helps us spread knowledge and empower more people to take action.